Before we get into today's video, be sure to grab PIA or Express. They are great to stopping ISP throttling, website blocking, while keeping your privacy safe when you're browsing. They also allow you to do torrents, media streaming, wares, so on and so forth. They also support different devices and payment methods. Links below. What's going on, you guys? I got a video here on how to fix dev files not installing through Filza. Basically what happens is you get this error when you click it. I'm going to put the arrow up right now. This doesn't happen to everybody, but if it happens to you, it's a pretty easy fix. What you're going to want to do is make sure the dev file that you're trying to install is in your documents folder. You need to make sure it's here, or you need to know the location that it is in. So it is easier to move it to documents. Now, if the dev file has a long name, as you can see here, the dev files above have the ... because it's a pretty long name. You're going to need to edit the dev file and copy that full name, or you could just rename the dev file to test install.deb or whatever you need to, because it is going to be easier for the step that I'm about to show you. Okay, so what would happen is you would click the deb, you'd hit install, and then you would get an error. Obviously I'm not going to get an error, but the error that you're going to get, again, I will put the screenshot up right now of what the error looks like. So let me clear all this text. So below that error, you can actually type. You may need to click somewhere. You should be able to click under the / I think it says for you guys, or SSH. And then you got bash here for me, because it does work for me. But anyhow, su root. And then you'll be prompted with a password. Unless you've changed your password, the default one is Alpine. You're going to hit enter. It's going to take you to this little thing here. You should have a space. Now you can enter in dpkg-i for install. Then you're going to put /var/mobile/documents, and then / the name of the dev file. Now, if you can remember, I named it test, as you can see right there, test.deb. You're going to need to put the name of the deb file you want to install. So once you've done that, and you hit enter, it should install. If you don't see it on your home screen, you could easily respring and the icon should appear. If it doesn't, then redo it again and try again. And then there you go, you're done. This is how you can fix that no command error within Filza. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out. Made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, on the left is a video you may like, and on the right you can check out my last video. Again, thank you for checking out the video. It means a lot. See you on my next one. Peace.